This tray's got a little bit of everything going on in it.
This is the least amount of Pallasites we've ever done at a live sale.
Yeah, yeah. We have one pallet. Here's what's coming up next. I mean,
No and irons.
okay, so we're moving up to Pallasites, mesositerites, and flat out irons. And interesting thing, when I was at Meteor Crater the other day, I noticed they had it incorrect on the wall. So the first one here, no one, Sue.
I got it.
Okay. So this one is Eskel, the queen of the Pallasites, a 10 grammer with a free ID. And it's beautiful because it's an end cut, which you don't really.
That is beautiful.
You don't really. God, if you went out of your way to try to buy an Eskel end cut on a budget, this is it.
Yeah,
That's
we
like
have it
an
marked,
Eskel.
we have
That's
marked
an
down 14.7% right now.
That's like an Escal paperweight.
Let me see here. I think I need to be further away. There we go.
Very nice.
Yeah. This is
Pretty
one of
sweet.
those that I'd like to hold on to because I don't have an Eskel end cut. And I don't
Very
know
great.
when the next time I will have a chance to buy one is, but it probably won't be 10 grams. So let me just wipe this off.
Wipe the drool off.
Yeah, seriously. I can, it can feel art from here. So there it is.
Yep.
Okay. That's the Eskel, the queen of the Pallasites, for 500 bones. Oh, actually 512. Nice computer number. All right. The next one is some mesositerites. These are A561. It's a mesositerite A1. Stu, this was the, I believe, this is the first mesositerite A1 from Northwest Africa, correct? I believe,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Yes, well, the reason you guys saw that Topher early collection, I just dug into another box recently with hundreds of meteorites in it, and I just started pulling things out, and I pulled these out, and I'm like, I don't think this is a mesositerite. And he looked at it under the microscope, and he like, it is damn right, it's a mesositerite. It definitely is. And that's when you looked at the information and found that, yeah, it was the first mesositerite. I don't know if it was the first mesositerite, but the first A1 out of NWA.
Yeah. I think it might, something like maybe the 20th mesositerite and the first mesositerite A1 ever out of North Africa. So that's super cool.
Yeah.
And obviously in the Met Bull, it does list it as being very worn or very weathered. But there is definitely still visible metal and just abundant metal in the matrix as well. I should have brought my magnet over here. But and one thing you'll notice about
only 404 grams total known weight.
Oh wow, yeah. One thing that's a little bit weird about this is, if I can just pontificate for a second, you notice how harsh all the angles are? That's not what we normally see on meteorites. But usually when we talk about meteorites, we're talking about softened edges on chondrites, not on mesositerites necessarily, which have a lot higher metal content. Especially a weathered one like this, the silicates are going to wear away, leaving the metal protruding or at least proud. So that is the 17 gram one. And this is the 8.9 gram one.
They both have nice melt lines.
This one is we marked them down a lot. This one is only 45.
Yeah, so those are 45 and 88. Now we go on to Sikhote-Alin. Well, did they get a magnet with this one?
They do.
Wow.
But that actually has a meteorite on it as well.
Yeah. All right. So this is a 42 gram, 4242. Beautiful. The most powerful number of the universe twice.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, nice shrapnel.
You got some
It's like a
beautiful-
melting heart.
You could
Oh,
open
yeah.
your beer bottle with that.
I was thinking more like a lobster claw.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
There's a lobster on the loose.
A lobster.
I would say that one's even a transitional. There's definitely some air sculpting in addition to the shrapnel effect. So
I
Kinda
thought
in be-
Yes,
so,
sir.
too.
Kind of in between.
I actually had to go take this one over to Topher and ask him, like, is this on shrapnel or not? Because I'm like a little confused.
yeah, where you see the jagged torn edges, especially the part that's facing to the left.
The lobster's thumb.
And on a lot of them, you can see striations from where the pieces scraped as they were disrupting.
Mm,
This is the magnet that comes with it. Really
That's
cool because
cool.
it actually has a piece on there.
yeah.
Very nice piece.
Yeah. We actually are selling the meteorite and the magnet comes for free. So that's a bonus. So here's the 4242. Oh, yeah, it does look like a angry lobster coming out. Okay. Someone's gonna have to help me on the classification of this one. I know it's
It is
is it
It's just lunar.
is it trocholytic at all or not?
I will look it up, but the official is lunar.
Okay. Well, let me tell you how these two pieces came to be. These two pieces, and we have two little chips, but these came to be because my piece was being beautifully examined under the microscope and I got a little too comfortable with it and I snapped it.
Uh-oh.
So, yeah, so these are off of my piece.
It's
And-
a lunar truck delight,
There you
low
go.
weather grade, high shock value. And it was purchased from, I believe, Adam Aronson, the main mass holder. There's only 562 grams total known weight. And it was classified almost 10 years ago.
Mm.
Because it's a trocholytic melt, it has green glass veins in there.
Mhm.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's
That's
super
the classic trocholytic sort of color and the green glass transparency in it.
yeah. So that is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, man. Look at that.
Mhm.
Focus on it so you can look at it. Dang it. But yeah, it's got some really good translucency to it. So you're getting a really nice
Yeah.
piece.
And what
Um,
does that run, Tope?
That one is I think that's the 2 gram or 0.2 one.
36.
So it's $33.
Okay, I'll take that one.
You
Yeah.
own it. Thank you, sir.
That's a great deal.
So that means this is the
Yeah.
only one left. This is the
And that's like the brother or sister, right?
yeah, this came off. This came, yeah, this is it's
Two
a-
chips off the same old
Wow.
block.
Tip
Yeah.
off the old block.
And then what's that run?
12, I think.
Okay, I'll take that too then.
Nice.
That's a no-brainer.
Yep.
And let's see if I
Nice
can.
pieces.
There you go. It's and
Mhm.
while it's still in one piece, I'm gonna put it back in your case.
Awesome.
Yes.
Yeah, no, it's really nice material. Hold on, I gotta package this better. Yeah, so I really, really, really was not happy about dropping my piece. Well, not dropping, but like just putting too much pressure on it when I was handling it. And I just snapped it. And I'm the only saving grace is as a dealer is I can keep my piece and sell these two little pieces because I really was like either gonna cry or bust out the super glue. Um, We got some
I will,
lunar
say, I
in the
will
house.
say that we have a few micros available, but they're not on the
Can you,
they're not on the sale or anything like that. But yeah, we have 3 micros available if anybody's
What-
interested.
which are these all half stones? The beach are?
Yeah. Yep.
I would do, can I see the 675?
Got to be this
Oh,
one
when I
here.
was talking about the micros, I was talking about the 8687.
Okay, so these two. Okay, so this is the whole stone,
Right.
and this is the 6.75. with a
Carl, I
hole.
want.
Does it have a hole in it? No, I guess not.
I'll take that one.
Okay, awesome.
I know we've seen a lot of Baychar lately, but I just had to pull a few of my favorite pieces out.
Look, Orion's belt in metal.
I love it.
Nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
There you go. Okay, that one is definitely put aside for you guys. Give me 1 second. I want to protect it. I have maybe do you know who ordered Gujba?
I'm going back to it. Art and Ken.
Yep.
Oh,
You-
yep. I know. I wasn't gonna interrupt you before, but I'm like, you
You
forgot something.
guys
We
Art-
also ordered Gujawas off the additional list.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Carl and Diane did too off the the additional discount list.
Okay, well, Carl and Diane, we're gonna have to find something for you to make up for the fact that you didn't get a Gujba sticker or magnet.
Oh,
Pen
I have
and-
something else for them. They'll like.
So
Cool.
look, if you guys bought Gujba, we're gonna try to get you a Gujba magnet as well.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay.
So this is the other half of the Carl stone.
The Carlstone.
Yeah,
Yes.
Now
let's
it's
see if
the
we can.
Diane Stone. Come on
Where
now.
are-
I do own the moon, so that's my stone.
Oh, look, this
Hey,
one
I'm
only
named
has.
after the goddess of the moon. It's appropriate that I should be getting moon
Yes.
meteorites.
Yeah, but that's beautiful. Okay, so this is the 10.1 gram for 275. Let's start with the 405, which is no 4.5. Gotcha.
This one's 122.
All these, well, I should
Nice.
send this out to get it finished, I think. Take how much is this?
It's 122.
It's 110 now. If anyone
Okay.
wants it, they can take a little bit of sandpaper to it and finish what we should have got.
Mhm.
All right. It's marked down on the live sales start to finish.
Thank you, baby. Yeah. Yeah. This one, it needs to be sanded. So you can pay yourself $12 to sand it. Whoa. Yeah, but that one either needs to be sold, discounted or sent to Chris to finish. But beautiful. I cut all these myself. So I don't know if that adds to the value or takes away from it. This one is the 9 gram, 9.06, and it has
This
hole?
one's beautifully polished by Craig's Lyman.
Yeah.
Nice hole
Yeah,
in it.
That's
Thank
a
you, baby.
holy one.
yeah.
And there's a very big piece of impactor metal in there too.
It's
Yeah.
beauty. Yep.
Art, I
Ouch.
think somehow it's you that's doing the echoing, man. Don't stress totally about it, man, but if you can fix it.
Uh-huh. Oh, very nice.
Okay, so that is the 9 point whatever. And that's all the Betchar. Yeah, because this one's gone. So this is what we have in the Betchar. Those right there. This one is oh, I didn't show this one. 5.7. Look at this. This is super. You know how we talk about the Dalmatian one? This is almost has a Dalmatian texture right up in here. and then a big metal impactor. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, a big one and 3 small ones.
At least.
That is beautiful lunar. And I went ahead and like, when you buy from us, man, you're not buying caliche. I've already cleaned it. I've already taken all that off. So you're buying, not that you should buy meteorites based on price per gram, because hopefully, I like to think about meteorites as like a tripod where you have knowledge, products, and packaging. And if you're only getting products and packaging, if you're only getting products from your dealer, then you're really screwing yourself on a cost per gram. And that's my high horse for the day. But that's beautiful.
Make shirts that say, "When's the last time your dealer ever taught you anything?"
Yeah, when's the last time your dealer ever taught you anything? All he did is take your money, man. Right. You guys want to go to Mars?
Oh, you don't
We're
know
gonna
how
what?
bad.
Let's go ahead and pause.
Topher gave Ken and Art the Goochba magnets, so we wanted to give Carl and Diane a chance to choose one of these ones. I thought these were really cool ones.
I would go with the Pallasite one.
Yeah,
Okay,
Damn.
I like that
Thanks,
one.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
you're welcome.
Yeah, Sue pointed out they bought 2 Goochbas. They don't get a magnet. I'm like, oh.
I ordered more Goochba magnets. They came out nice.
Yeah, we got one whole gooch ball and one half.
Yeah,
To go with our
I
flight.
wanted you guys to get a magnet too, so I went and
appreciate
picked up one of
that.
my ones.
We also have some magnet. Oh, Sue, I'm just going to show
Oh,
them. You're
yeah.
gonna talk. Yeah.
Okay, so I only got one of the shipments of magnets, but I wanted to show some of them off. Mike Kelly supported
Nice.
our GoFundMe, so I made this one in honor of Mike, and so we're gonna include that in his package. I just thought it came out cool, and Oz supported us too. So
All right.
The galactic president given the logo.
I wish he was running for president. I'd vote for him.
you got, I know, wouldn't you vote for him?
Oh, hell yeah.
Jeremy supported our Patreon, so he's comes from the Sunflower State, so I made a little bee making his name.
Yep.
Jim Shelton supported our Patreon as well, and he loves books, so he's a little bookworm.
Yep.
And Dr. Ralph supports our Patreon, so he's a little doctor examining a meteor. We have one for Art coming in the next shipment, which I'm sure you guys saw the design in the Knowledge Bolide group.
Yep.
This is
And then
not
we have other
complete.
ones for people that will be staying at the Meteorite Mansion, and yeah, we'll show those off another time.
If you're staying at the Meteorite Mansion, you have one, but you're not getting it till then. So sit down. Sit down.
Right.
I was really nervous about how Carl and Diane's would come out because I felt like, oh gosh, I hope I didn't put too much detail on there. It came out perfectly. I was like,
Good.
yeah.
Good.
We are taking off to the planet Mars.
Woo.
I know everyone live here knows that you can own and hold a piece of Mars, but if you're watching this on YouTube, just know, be very careful. If anyone's selling Mars, be smart. Do a little bit of Google search on the people that are selling it, and talk to someone in the know before you spend money on dirt rocks.
If the price is too good to be true, it's probably not real.
These are all ones I would love to tell you that I cut myself,
Pretty.
but I'm not a liar. These are right. These are Chris Monk's, right?
We just got these back
Yeah.
yesterday.
Yeah,
so
these are the
that's
ones-
why they're on the sale.
Yeah, we just got these back yesterday from the monk man himself, Rocks on the Ground. He did a fantastic job. So one side is highly polished, or higher polished than the other, I should say. It's finely polished.
Yep.
So
And we were so tired from Thanksgiving, we slept through him at the doorbell, but we woke up to Martian meteorites dropped off at our house, and it was a great way to wake up.
so that's the 1.9. This is this. Okay, I thought someone was saying I want that. There we go. So this one is the 3 gram one. Well, you can technically say it's over 3 grams because it's over 3 grams. Trust me, if it says that, it's because we weighed it 27 times to make sure that yes, it does tip
Thanks so many times.
.001 to go with Amidala 001.
That's why the anchorites were like relabeled a few times because I kept reweighing them. It's so hard when they're like 0.0 something.
Let me see
Yep.
here.
And also meteorites change in weight over time with different humidity.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
heard
yeah.
that. I was like, no, more complications, more things, more variables.
Those are very pretty. They really show the texture of the rock inside. And that one is cool that it's hand cut.
Yes.
Very
This
nice.
this one doesn't have a weathering ring around it. A lot of them have you can see a little bit. No, this one doesn't have it either. Wow. Well, some of them have it and some of them don't. These are nice. These don't have any weathering to them.
We have
This
one in our
is-
in our inventory that does, and I don't think it looks bad actually.
No,
It
I
kinda
like it.
cool.
This is
Nice
a
pieces.
4.69 end cut. Yeah, you can barely see a little tiny ring around the outside, but that's nothing. Yeah, that's a beautiful piece.
Mm.
So this is the Umgala 001. Oh, this one's thin. 2
Yeah.
point,
Super thin.
yeah, 2.36 gram. This is
There's a lot of surface area for for less than 3
wow,
grams.
no, they're the same thickness. Wow. Yeah, this is a lot of surface area for 2.3 grams. Wow. All right. Those are the 4 pieces of Mars that we have for today. And
Oh, and now we have the prize drawing. I jumped ahead on the prize drawing. So yeah, next we go to the genomic breccias.
Yeah.